Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel solution for today. Today we want to look at how to create a dynamic numbering using the function max and the if functions in Excel. Now to start with, we'll start with our if function. If the country we are really numbering, so we are saying that if K4 is an empty cell, so the apostrophe open and close, comma, then the numbering should be a 0 or an empty cell. If that is not the case, it should give us a max, that's the maximum within the same range. But since we are starting from an alphabet, we will block the first one. And in this situation, we know that when the output will definitely will be a 0, but we want to start from 1. So we use a +1, then we'll close +1, then we'll close our parentheses, then we enter. So that's number 1 in numbering. So when we use the autofill, we will number it from 1 to the last, that is 50. Now assuming that we really want to delete a particular row from it, you'll see that when we delete, automatically the numbering will be updated. So let me delete for you to see. Now I'm deleting South Africa. So I'm saying shift cells up, see what happens. Automatically the numbering updates. So the moment you delete, you'll see that the numbering will be updated. So if you delete, it will be updated. And in such situations, it becomes easy for your numbering to be dynamic without you always going up to update it. This is how smart you can create a dynamic row numbering in your Excel sheet. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.